episode. So if for some reasons you're unable to access your OmeTV app or the web platform, you've landed on the right video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get unbanned or how to lift the ban penalty that has been set onto your OmeTV account. So without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. Okay guys, before I go any further, I will recommend that you check the video description to get important mentions or important directories or resources that I'm going to have mentioned in this guide. Okay, you can also get a full written guide that is going to emphasize every step-by-step process for you to completely understand the complete process in a written format. Okay, so make sure you check the video description out to not miss the steps I'm going to imply in this video. So before even looking to get your Ome account unbanned, you first need to understand the nature of your banishment. Okay, you need to understand why actually your Ome account has been banned. So the Ome platform works on a set of rules that governs the way every chatter or every user interacts on the platform, and you going against any of these rules should probably get your account banned. And most of course, many of you don't even know why you're getting banned, but the great thing there is that you can get your account unbanned if you actually identify why your account was banned. So talking of the violation rules, the common sections that are often violated on the OmeTV platform are the first, second and third section of the Ome rules. Okay, and if you take a good attention, or if you pay great attention to that, you notice that there's at least a rule there that you've gone across and that probably got your account banned. Okay, but as I said earlier, the great thing there is that you can easily get your Ome account back. So let's get into the steps to recovering your OmeTV account. So to get your OmeTV account unbanned, it doesn't matter whether you're using Android, iPhone or even a PC platform. Okay, Ome is cross-platform application and you can access it anywhere. But to get your account unbanned, I recommend you contact OmeTV through your mobile device. That is, if you are using your PC, I recommend going to the mobile device because that is where you actually get their contact details. Okay, and you can just get this from your Play Store or from your App Store on your iPhone device. So I am using Android here, and you can follow the same steps on your iOS device. It is no problem. So to get your Ome account unbanned, just open your App Store or your Play Store and search for the OmeTV app, just like so. Okay, so you come onto the app, you enter into the app details, and then you scroll onto where you see get the app support. Okay, so just click on that app support there, and then you see their email pop up. So you just want to click on this and then you send them a Gmail. So if you don't know exactly what to tell them in the email, you can get the email prompt or the example that I'm using in this guide from the video description, so you can easily edit it and modify it to fit your own complaint or your own request for any statement of your account. So this is just the email that I'm going to send to them, and you need to understand first, before even getting to this, you need to first understand why you actually got banned. Okay, in my case, I simply affirmed that or confirmed that it is because I used a VPN to access a platform which is currently prohibited on their prohibited by their rules. Okay, so I just accepted that, I understand, and I take full responsibilities of this mistake, and that my intention was never clear to cause harm or circumvent the rules. I simply used the VPN out of concern for connection stability and privacy, not fully understand that it would cause a considered violation. Okay, so just edit the message to fit your own request, and then once you show that everything fits in the true sense, you just want to submit your appeal. Okay, hopefully after submitting your appeal, you should get a request or a response from them indicating that they have relieved or lifted the ban that was placed on your account and should be able to access the platform once more. And for those of you that thought that using a VPN to bypass the banishment would be a great idea, this is what you should get in mind. Okay, so if you go to the policy, the 7th section, you notice that they've written do not modify the service operation, and it is forbidden to employ software from external sources including programs, add-ons, plugins, bots, scripts to modify how the service functions. Okay, do not utilize software that could harm the user, compromise the data privacy data policy, or infringe upon their rights in any manner. Alright, so these including programs, add-ons, plugins, bots, scripts are also another way of mentioning VPN. Okay, because VPN are used to circumvent the restriction or bypass restrictions on services just like this OmeTV. And using a VPN is not just going to make things work. Maybe for sure the reason for using a VPN should be in a clear intention that you just want more privacy, or that you simply want to improve the speed of your internet connection. Alright, so let's be in the legal sense and not to bypass the restriction that they've set on your account, because upon submitting your appeal to them, they are going to check all of this and check your recent sessions, access your IP addresses that you've used before, and if they notice that there is a change in IP address for like from one region to another, like from one country to another, using virtual IP addresses, they are probably going to restrain your account and limit it forever, okay, and maintain their decision on its banishment. So that's how you get your OmeTV account unbanned, okay. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell to not miss any upcoming content from us. I'll catch you in the next episode.